Another way to subtract mixed numbers is by borrowing. The first step is to still find your least common denominator. For this example, the least common denominator is 16. So we'll bring over our 9 and also our 7. The next step, find each missing numerator. The first two denominators, ask yourself, how much could 8 go into 16? Right, that will go 2 times. Multiply 3 also by 2. So that will give us 6 for the first missing numerator. And actually, the second numerator is still 15. So we'll just scoot 15 over. Now, at this point, ask yourself, can 15 be subtracted from 6 and give you a positive number? No, so we have to borrow. What you do is borrow 1 from the 9, and we'll make that an 8. Now, the one that you borrowed, you cannot discard it or throw it away. Rename it as 16 over 16. We haven't changed anything. 16 over 16 is still 1. We just renamed it as a fraction. Renamed 1 as a fraction. Add 16 over 16 to the 6 over 16 that's already there. So our new fraction is 22 over 16. Bring over the second mixed number. And now we can subtract. So our final answer is 1 and 7 over 16. Once again, the key element, key step here is that 1 that you borrowed, you have to rename it and add it to the fraction that is already there. Let's look at another example. Again, the first step, find the least common denominator. So for this example, among 8 and 12, the least common denominator is 24. So we'll bring over our whole numbers. With 24 is as our new common denominator, least common denominator. The next step, find each missing numerator. For the first fraction, ask yourself, how much could 12 go into 24? Yes, that will go 2 times. So multiply 1 times 2 to give us 2. Same thing with the second denominators, second pair. How much could 8 go into 24? Right, that will go 3 times. Multiply 7 times 3 to give us 21. If we check, 21 cannot be subtracted from 2. That will give us a negative number. So we have to borrow. Borrow 1 from the 21 and make it a 20. Now the one that you just borrowed, rename it as a fraction, as 24 over 24. What you'll do is take 24 over 24 and add it to the 2 over 24 that's already there. So our new fraction is 26 over 24. Bring over the second mixed number and now we can subtract. So our final answer is 5 and 5 over 24. Again, there are several ways you can subtract mixed numbers. You can convert each one to an improper fraction and then go about your normal steps. Or you can borrow and get the same correct answer.